Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Cadillac Escalade and how to change the oxygen sensor. So I have a code coming for the O2 sensor. It's P2A04 and it's for the downstream sensor on the passenger side, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can quickly and easily change this sensor out. As far as tools and supplies, I'll have them listed down below in my description box, but these are the two main things that you're going to need for this job. One is the O2 sensor socket, and the other is the O2 sensor itself for your particular vehicle. And since I'm going to be replacing the downstream sensor, you want to make sure you get the downstream sensor and not the upstream. The sensor's right there. And the most important thing before you remove the sensor is make sure your car is completely cooled down. The exhaust system and the sensors do get really hot, so give it a couple hours before you tackle this job. I'm going to grab the O2 sensor socket, insert it on top of the O2 sensor around the wiring, attach my ratchet, and then I'm going to put on an extension on the back and crank it loose. Once it's cranked loose, I'm going to completely open it up, disconnect the electrical wiring, and then pull the sensor out. So here's the old sensor, and I'm going to be replacing it with a Bosch O2 sensor replacement. So this Bosch sensor that I'm using is ready to go, ready to install, and ready to work. The anti-seize is pre-installed and the wiring is made for my particular vehicle, so there's no splicing or anything needed. I'm going to screw on the O2 sensor into place, crank it tight, and then go back into the vehicle and check if there's any active codes for the O2 sensor. So now I have my scanner plugged in. I'm going to diagnose it and scan for codes. And the vehicle has no fault codes, so this fix was a success. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if it did help you guys out, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button and drop a comment down below. And if you guys want to see more DIY and how-to videos, please subscribe to my channel, MrCarMAN, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.